Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2015 Set 2 NSO question paper for Class 2 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO, IMO and IGKO question papers for Class 2 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad Class 2 to get these question papers. Today's first topic is logical reasoning. 1. Mohit starts his basketball practice on 5th November 2000XX and finishes his practice on 20th November 2000XX. How many days did he practice? Assume that second Saturday and Sunday is a holiday. This is the given calendar. You try to find out the answer. To find the answer, first we have to mark 5th November because Mohit starts his basketball practice on 5th November and finishes his practice on 20th November. Then second Saturday and Sunday is a holiday. Second Sunday, so you cross this one, and second Saturday, first, second, you cross this also. Now you have to count the remaining days from 5 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is D, 14. And this is very important question. This is repeatedly asked question. 2. Number 25 will belong to which tree in the given options? You look at the given options and try to find out the answer. And the first tree gives 2 table, this gives 3 table, and it is 5 table, and it is 4 table, and 25 will come in 5 table. So the answer is C. 3. If pencil is written as CILPEN, then system will be written as dash. You read the given options and find the answer. So to find the answer, we have to analyze the relation between these two. And here, PEN, the first 3 letters are given after the last letter L. Okay, CILPEN. Likewise, we have to write the first 3 letters after the last letter M. So TEM SYS. TEM SYS. So the answer is B. 4. Find the next figure in the given figure pattern. This is the given figure pattern. You look at this and try to find out the answer. And here the first 3 figures are repeated. So the figure after this figure is this one. So the answer is B. 5. Which is the longest pencil? You look at the given pictures and try to find out the answer. And here, which is the longest pencil? Yes, S is the longest pencil. So the answer is D, yes. Next topic is science. 6. Water drops fall from the clouds as rain. Where does rainwater go? It is absorbed into the soil. It collects in the oceans and rivers. It collects in the ponds and reservoirs. You read the given options and find the answer. The answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. 7. On growing up, which of these baby animals can be useful for us to carry our loads? We know kitten is baby of cat and calf is baby of elephant. Joe is baby of kangaroo. Lamb is baby of Sheep. Which animal is used to carry our loads? Elephant. So the answer is B. Calf. 8. If each of our finger was made of one long bone, then we would not dash, hold things, point to something, scratch something, all of these. The answer is A. Hold things. We would not hold things. 9. We use seeds of dash in our food. Look at the given options: potato, coriander, palak, sugarcane. The answer is B. 10. Study the characteristics of H, I, J and K in the given table. This is the given table. Ability to move from place to place, needs water, reproduces, has legs. Which one is most likely to be a non-living thing? So, you read the given table carefully and try to find out the answer from the given options. So we have to identify the non-living thing from the given table. We know non-living thing cannot reproduce. So in the reproduce column, for K, there is no tick mark. That means K cannot reproduce. So, K is a non-living thing. So, the answer is D, K. 11. An adult animal which has its young one completely different from it is dash. Horse, frog, butterfly, both B and C. The answer is D, both B and C. 12. Cross out every alternate letter starting from the first letter and select the option that gives the name of a creeper plant. So I try to find out the answer from the given options. So after striking out the alternate letters, we get banana, mango, pumpkin, rose. So here the creeper plant is pumpkin. So the answer is C, pumpkin. 13. The given groups of animals were formed on the basis of feeding habits, each with one odd member. Ravi was asked to encircle the odd one in each group, but he made one mistake. Select the group in which he encircled wrong animal. You read the given options and find the answer. The answer is D. Actually here cow and buffalo are plant eating animals. Lion is a flesh eating animal. So he wrongly encircled cow instead of lion. 14. Which of the following festivals is commonly known as Festival of Kites? Onam, Navratra, Makar Shankranti, Pongal. The answer is C. Makar Shankranti. 15. Which one of the following activities is performed by the main body part that has knee, ankle and thigh as its subparts? You look at the given pictures and find out the answer. The answer is C. 16. Refer to the given conversation and answer the following question. Raj's mother. Come on, Raj, breakfast is ready. Raj. Coming, mom, just finished brushing my teeth. Raj is most likely present in which of the following rooms of his house? Bathroom, living room, kitchen, bedroom. The answer is A. Bathroom. 17. Food items can be grouped into energy giving, bodybuilding and protective foods. Select the food item which does not belong to the group to which the other three belong. You look at the given pictures and try to find out the answer. And the answer is D. Egg. Here, egg is a body-building food, but the other three are energy-giving foods. 18. Study the given flow chart and select the correct option regarding P, Q, R and S. Safety rules. While crossing road at zebra crossing P, while swimming Q, at school R, while traveling S. P. Do not cross the road when traffic light is red for vehicles. Q. Always carry a swimming tube. R. Run in the corridors and on stairs. S. Keep standing in a bus or car. The correct answer is B. Q. Always carry a swimming tube while swimming. 19. The object shown in the picture is a means of dash communication. This is a telephone. Mass, visual, audiovisual, verbal. The answer is D. Verbal. 20. Which child is not following good habits? Ramesh, who is tearing paper from his new notebook to make paper boat. Rahul, who is feeding milk to a stray dog. Rajat, who is helping an old man to cross the road. Swati, who is standing in a queue to get into the bus. So here the correct answer is A. 21. Read carefully what Amol is saying. What should Amol include in his diet to develop strong muscles required for being a sports person? I am fond of sports and would like to become a sports person when I grow up. Fish, sweets and butter, yogurt, eggs and pulses, fruits and vegetables, rice, jaggery and milk. So the answer is B. Yogurt, eggs and pulses. 22. Rashmi has pomegranate tree in the backyard of her home. One day her elder brother plucked almost all flowers from the tree. This will result in dash. Decreased growth of the tree, reduced number of pomegranate fruits, fall of leaves, none of these. We know flowers are converted into fruits. So the answer is B. Reduced number of pomegranate fruits. This is a repeatedly asked question. 23. The cloth shown in the picture remains as it is even after a few minutes. It is not suitable for making dash t-shirt, floor mop, raincoat, both A and B. The cloth remains as it is means it doesn't absorb water. So it is not suitable for making t-shirt and floor mop. So the answer is both A and B. It is suitable for making raincoats. This is a very important question. This type of question is asked in most of the question papers. 24. Select the incorrect statement regarding water. Water can exist in three forms which can be changed into one another. River water is salty water. Hand pumps can be used to draw underground water. None of these. The incorrect one is B. River water is salty water. 25. Some events are shown in the box. Select the correct option regarding them. You look at the given pictures. Events 1 and 2 show that air moves things. Events 1 and 3 show that air fills space. Event 2 shows that moving air has direction. Event 3 shows that air is present all around us. The correct option is C. Event 2 shows that moving air has direction. This one. 26. The given statements describe a season. Most days clouds are present in the sky. We have to keep raincoat or umbrella with us. Water level in rivers etc. rises up. Identify the season and select the correct option. Spring, summer, monsoon, winter. The correct answer is C. Monsoon. 27. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1, hardest mineral, softest mineral, rock that floats on water, rock used for making buildings. Column 2, talc, pumice, diamond, marble. So read the given options and try to find out the answer. We know the hardest mineral is diamond and softest mineral is talc. Rock that floats on water is pumice and rock used for making buildings is marble. So A is 3 and B is 1, C is 2, D is 4. So the correct option is A. 28. Reena has to buy band-aid for her brother. She should go to a dash. Greengrocer, chemist, florist, baker. The answer is B. Chemist. 29. Earth's landscape has some large flat lands which are called dash. Mountains, valleys, plains, deltas. The answer is C. Plains. 30. Select the incorrect match of the safety equipment and the activity in which it should be used. Swimming tube, swimming, helmet, cycling, life jacket, boating, shoes, ballet dancing. The incorrect one is D. Next topic is Achievers section 31. Look carefully at the objects shown in the picture. When light is shown from the front of these objects, what shadows these objects will form on the screen? Object 1, wood, glass. Object 2, frosted glass, wood. Look at the given option and try to find out the answer. So the answer is C. This is the shadow for object 1. Glass allows all the light to pass through it. Doesn't allow the light to pass through it. And this is the shadow for object 2. Here the center one is wood. It doesn't allow the light to pass through it. And frosted glass allows only partial light to pass through it. So light shadow here. 32. The given family tree is of Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. Shalini is the only daughter of their son. Where should you place Shalini in this family tree? Rectangle represents man and circle represents woman. Circle with M represents marriage. This is the given family tree. You read the given options and try to find out the answer. We know this is the first generation, next one is second generation, this one is the third generation. So Mr. and Mrs. Sharma are first generation. Shalini is the only daughter of their son. So their sons are given here. He is not married, he is married. He has only one daughter. So we will place Shalini here. So the answer is 1. So the option is A, 1. And family tree question is very important one. In most of the question papers, family tree question is asked. 33. Refer to the given picture showing different plants P, Q, R and S and select the correct option regarding them. P is Christmas tree and Q is banana tree, R is cactus and S is a water plant. Plants P and Q are adapted to live in cold places. P and Q. Plants Q and R are adapted to live in warm places with abundant water. Q and R. Plant S is adapted to live underwater in ponds and lakes. Yes. Plant R is adapted to live in dry places with less water. R. So the correct answer is D. 34. Which of the following animals' cry is not hidden in the word grid? Tiger, elephant, monkey, frog. First, you try to find out the animals' cry for the given four options. Then you find out the answer. So, the cry for tiger is growl, elephant is trumpet, monkey is chatter, frog is croak. So here growl is given in the grid and trumpet is given in the grid, croak is given in the grid. Monkey's cry chatter is not given. So the answer is C. 35. Four pieces of cloth materials P, Q, R and S on soaking in water absorbed water. The amount of water absorbed by them is tabulated in the given graph. Which of these is the most suitable to make a baby diaper? Amount of water absorbed in ml, P, Q or S. Read the given options and try to find out the answer. Here our question is, which of these is the most suitable to make a baby diaper? Diaper should absorb more water. So in the given graph, which one absorbs more water? This one. This is R. So the answer is D, R. My dear students, I will attach the answer key at the end of this video. If you have any doubts, you please refer that. So now we have completed 2015 set 2 NSO question paper for class 2 students. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.